Good morning. I'm your Hetal ma'am. How are my cutie pies? Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying seeing videos. You remember we had learnt pet animals? So now let's do a quick recap of pet animals and learn domestic animals. Pet animals. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. He is our best friend. He guards our house and he loves to eat bones. He says bow bow. Cat. Cat is a pet animal. She loves to drink milk. She says meow meow. Fish. Fishes are colorful and pretty. They live only in water. People love to keep aquarium in their house. Rabbit. Rabbit is a pet animal. He loves to eat carrot. He has long ears. He is an adorable animal. He runs very fast. Children, now let's learn about domestic animals. Domestic animals are our friends also. They help us in many ways. Now let's learn about some of the domestic animals. This is a cow. It gives us milk. It lives in a shed. This is a horse. It runs very fast. Kids love horse riding. It loves to eat grass. It lives in a stable. This is a goat. It loves to eat grass. It lives in a pen. This is a camel. He loves to eat leaves. Children love camel ride. Now let's sing a song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And what did the cow say, you know? And a moo moo here, and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. And you know what did the horse say? Horse say, and neigh neigh here, and neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. And you know what did the goats say? And a meh meh here, and a meh meh there. Here a meh, there a meh, everywhere meh meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some camels, E-I-E-I-O. And what did the camel say, you know? Ha, ha. And a ha, ha here, and a ha, ha there. Here a ha, there a ha, everywhere ha, ha. Now, let's do an activity. Look children, we have a house and a farm here. We have got some animals which are pet animals and domestic animals. We will segregate these animals and place it in their respective groups. Pet animals near the house and domestic animals near the farm. So, let's begin. Which animal is this? Cat. It is a pet animal. So we'll place this cat near the house. Which animal is this? This is a cow. It is a domestic animal. So we'll place this cow near the farm. Which animal is this? Fish. It is a pet animal. We will place this fish near the house. Which animal is this? Horse. It is a domestic animal. Where we will place? Near the farm. Which animal is this? Rabbit. It is a pet animal. We will place this rabbit near the house. Which animal is this? Camel. It is a domestic animal. We will place this camel near the farm. Which animal is this? Goat. It is a domestic animal. Where we will place this domestic animal? Near the farm. Which animal is this? Dog. It is a pet animal. And where we will place this dog? Near the house. So children, we have finished the activity. Hope you enjoy the activity. Okay then. Bye. See you. Take care.